Hi guys, how are you? I hope you are doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to download Spotify where it is not available. Follow this process without wasting any time. As you know, Spotify is a music listening app that allows you to listen to the song in the world. But in some countries, Spotify has launched and in some countries, Spotify has not been launched. In this video, I will show you how to download Spotify if it is not available in your country. Let me go to the App Store and I will search here Spotify. You can see that Spotify app is not installed in my phone, and let me teach you how to install it. You can see that I downloaded Spotify to make sure that can we download Spotify or not. After follow this step. First you go to your mobile setting and click on iCloud option. A new menu will open in front of you and then click on media and purchases. And then click on view account. After that, click on country and region. This is where the main process begins. Now you have to press change country or region. I select USA here. My purpose is selecting it here is that you will find every facility related to iPhone here. That's why I'm selecting USA here. Now click on USA option here and press on agree. Now you can see that he's asking for payment option like MasterCard, Visa card, American Express and PayPal. But you just have to click on none option. Here you can write anything that comes to your mind in first option like straight. Let's suppose I'm typing my name here. The second option is optional, where you write something there or not, it's up to you. So don't worry. In third option, you must enter the name of city in United States. I'm selecting New York because I like New York. State. You also select here New York. Now press on zip code option and type zip code of New York City like and now type any number what you want to type. Now I come to the App Store and here I do a Spotify search. And now you can see that Spotify is also available in the search and it is available for download. Now let me install it quickly and show you. You can see that I have Spotify installed on my phone. I have paused the video and changed the country and region from iCloud so that the video is not too long. After downloading it, you need to reselect both your iCloud country original to your current country And now I will search and play this song of my favorite singer. The singer is Daddy Yankee. Let me search. Now you can see that after changing both country and region, I'm still using it easily. And you can listen that. If you want to update your Spotify app, you have to reselect the old country and region, and after updating it, you have to switch your current country and region. If you want to support the channel and if you enjoyed the video, please like the video, comment down below, share this video and subscribe my YouTube channel. I would really appreciate it and it really helps. Thank you. We'll meet in next video. Bye.